Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And want to customize the navigation menu on your Weebly site? Whether you're rearranging pages, renaming menu items or creating drop-down menus, editing your navigation bar is essential for improving your site's usability. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to edit the navigation menu on your Weebly website. So let's get started. First of all, head over to your web browser and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. And once you are logged in, select the website that you want to edit from the dashboard and click on Edit Site option. This will give you access to the website editor, and this is where you will make all the changes to your website. Now in this page, search for an option saying Theme, which is located at the top of the navigation bar, and click on it. From there, click on the option saying Change Fonts, and there you will see an option saying Navigation Menu. In the navigation bar, you can change the style of the font, size, weight, uppercase or not, as well as letter spacing as well. To rearrange the menu items on the navigation menu, click on the Pages option. From there, you can drag and drop the pages in the order that you want. And when you click on the navigation menu, you will see the changes have been made. And that's it. Editing your Weebly navigation menu is quick and easy, and it helps visitors navigate your site effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.